Hi, in that video you will see how to use the node from Verificar Emails. Verificar Emails is a service that allows to verify email addresses, phone numbers, first and last name, and also postal addresses. The service also allows to correct the information if it's bad formatted. How we have to use it? First of all, we have to import the community node into the n8n. We go to community nodes, installation, we put the name, we accept the conditions, we select install, and the node it's already set up, okay? We go to the workflows, we are going to create an empty one. We go here to the nodes, we search for Verificar. Here you can see that it's a community node. We select and we add to the workflow. I have my credentials already set up. The credentials, they are going to be the same for all the services. Here you can see all the services. You will have to create the APIs into the dashboard, but if you use the current one I have provided, you can use all the services, okay? So let's do a little try. Let's validate an email address. We put here the email address. We execute. And we can see with less than a second that the email address is valid. Here you will have more information. If you just want to use some of them, just select the status. If you go to the public site, at the bottom, you will have information about the APIs. For example, for the phone numbers, I recommend to use the result guide because we provide a lot of information in the reply of the JSON. Let's do a verification of a phone number. You have to use a phone number with international format. For example, this is for a Spanish number, and this is my mobile number. We execute, and also with less than a second, you will have the information, okay? That's very similar with less information. Here we only apply a syntactical validation. This is for postal addresses. For example, we are going to use the address of the office, but it will have some misinformation. The street is Zamora, the number is 105, and here we put the name of the city, and it's not well spelled, okay? We execute, and with less than a second, here you can see the information that it's properly formatted. It will also provide information about the locations, all that stuff, okay? For the name and the surname, here you can insert any name, and it will detect the gender. Sorry, here we have a message that the token is not valid. I will change it, and you will be able to use it. Let's use, for example, another service, name correction. For example, I would put a name, John. Here you can select the sex, and also, if you know, we can put the country. It's good to put the country because there are many similar names around the world. So as much information as you can provide, it would be really helpful. Okay? Here you have the information, and here you can see the possible names and the rank inside Spain. The most probable name would be Anton. The second most probable will be Anchon. Another name would be Ant, and this one will be the most rare. Okay? Just play a little bit with that, and you will see that it's really useful. And the good thing is that with a single node, we can validate all that information. I hope you like it. Thanks.